It's a well-known fact that there are tons and tons of creators on YouTube. People making videos every single day. I forget the statistic of how many are uploaded every second. So there's a lot of competition. Well, how do we get people to come watch our videos? Are there ways to make it easier for them to find you? If they don't know about you, they're definitely not going to watch your videos. You know, kind of like this abandoned building here. It's old, it's weathered, the porch is collapsing. And you know, the last thing you want is for your YouTube channel to do the same thing, to become old and stagnant and start to collapse and become unuseful and nobody finds it. So when it comes to keeping your channel fresh, exciting, something you want people to discover, there are some things that you can do to help your channel grow. They're not very hard. Oh shit. All right. Dang. Okay, so what is a YouTube short? Well, it's something that YouTube came up with a few years ago that allows people to post videos that are much shorter than a long form video. You know, long form videos, they can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, and not everybody has that much time to dedicate to a video. And maybe at lunch at work, something like that, they want to just catch a little entertainment and they only have just a few minutes. And this is where YouTube shorts come into play. Now, I can tell you that I've made some YouTube shorts that the viewership is amazing. It's definitely worth making these YouTube shorts because I posted some and within an hour or less had over 500 views. What does that mean for you? Well, that means that it's like a free commercial for your channel. Go on there, put some snippets that you made. It'll link back to your channel. You can even link a video to it, and it just might bring these people over to watch your long form videos. So my ideas are not the only ones for getting people to come to your channel. Heck, I'm just a novice at this. I'm just getting started, just starting to grow my channel a little bit better. Matter of fact, my dang light's starting to die. I didn't charge it. Rookie mistake. What I would love for you to do is post down in the comments some ways that you've brought people to your channel, the ways that you've marketed your channel, so people know you're out there. Post them up. Let's share with everybody. Okay, so like I told you, I'm not a pro at this. I'm still a novice, but I'm really trying to get my channel to take off. And I hope to be able to help you grow your channel at the same time by what I learn and the things I find and experience and mess up on. So what I'm going to do is I have been working on a 5-part series on how I've worked on getting my channel started and whatnot, and I'm going to link to it right up here so you guys can see what it looks like and you can go find it. And maybe those videos will help you create videos of your own, at least get you started, give you some ideas to work with, what kind of equipment you need, you know, and some advice. Okay, I just wanted to say thanks for joining me for the video. I do hope that you got something out of it. I know I got a couple things out of it in my mind from just making the video itself, maybe some new ideas. So if you have any ideas on how you do your marketing, how you get people to visit your channel, drop them down there in the comments. Let everybody read it. Let's all help each other. Listen, I really appreciate you joining me for the video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.